Hey guys, it's Diamond, and here is a special, not so special. I mean the special just because the customer she want to use two different tones of the letters to be a cover, and she choose the field note size. She choose the field note size in the opus leather, and the opus leather is very soft. You can see here it's very soft, and also it's peppery and petrol. And she want to add the other letters to be the folio, and she choose the apple green. Yes, you can see the apple greens here, and because the apple green is very smooth leather, so she want to add these two different tones two different characters of the letters to be a cover. I think it will be very fun. And also she add a front pocket. It's also in the apple green. And I want to add two patch holders. And the patch holders is very matched to the apple green. Yes, I feel she is also a design genius, because I believe it will be very good looking after it done. Okay, so because I have many orders, but I cannot tag each orders to a video, so I only pick up some I feel less cool, I feel less is different style, and I will make a video. So I want to make this video to show you guys the color combination with and the two characters of the letters different. They combine together, and how it will going to be. Okay, so let's see you guys later. Hi guys, I'm back, and you can see the field note opus letters here, and it's really beautiful, especially in the edge. You can see the edge, the opus to combine with the apple green. It's just like a sandwich. Yes, it feels very yummy. Yeah, right. So and you can see the front pocket, the character is very smooth, and the opus is very textured. So it's just like a fire and water that got in together, very unique. And I open inside, it's just a very simple design. Two folio pocket in the apple green, and the two patterns with the with the patch holder. Yes. And also the color to combine with the apple green is just very matched. Yes. And because she just wants it to be the folio pocket, and she don't need any closure, she don't need the elastic closure, she don't need the button closure, she just wants it to be the folio pocket, but it's still very gorgeous. Yes, you can see. Okay, but I'm so sorry because there are so many elastic in my shop has run out, because I will make a little change in my shop about the elastic. So some elastic they just run out, and I don't get them back again, because I have purchased a lot of new elastic in my shop, and maybe these 2 days they will arrive to my shop, and I will take new pictures on it. And because she chose the elastic in the light brown, not really light brown, but not so light like this, a little deeper than this elastic, but that one just run out, so I only can add this one to be the elastic. Yes, but anyway, it's just very beautiful, especially the edge. It's really like a sandwich. Yes. Okay, so this is the field note opus leather with the apple green with the apple green front pocket, and it's really beautiful, and the stitching is also in the apple green, so it makes just very balanced. The combination is very balanced. Yes, so it's really beautiful, little cute covers here. Okay, wish you guys will love it, and I will come back soon. Okay, see you. Bye bye.